The robin is one of the most recognizable and beloved birds in the world. With its bright red breast, cheerful song, and friendly demeanor, it has captured the hearts of birdwatchers, poets, and nature lovers alike. Often associated with the arrival of spring, the robin is a symbol of renewal, hope, and perseverance. Whether seen hopping across a garden lawn or perched on a tree branch, singing its melodious tune, the robin is a bird that brings joy to those who encounter it. Robins belong to the family Turdidae, which includes other thrush species. There are several species of robins, but the two most well-known are the American robin, Turdus migratorius, and the European robin, Erithicus rubicula. Despite their shared name and similar appearances, these birds are not closely related. The American robin is a true thrush, whereas the European robin belongs to the Old World flycatcher family. Both species are admired for their striking appearance and distinctive behaviors. The American robin is native to North America and is widely distributed across the continent. It is a migratory bird, traveling between Canada and the United States, and even as far south as Central America during the winter months. This species is known for its reddish-orange breast, gray-brown back, and white eye ring. Its song, a series of clear whistling notes, is often one of the first signs of spring in many regions.